In 2014, a crack toy fixer was banished from the forums for talking about repairing vintage toys. Undeterred, this man promptly set up his own YouTube channel located in the Somerset Underground. Today, still wanted by hardcore Star Wars collectors, he survives as a maverick toy restorer. If you have a problem, if no one else can help, and if you can find him, maybe Toy Polloi can help you.
Welcome to Toy Polloi, the #1 resource for vintage toy restoration. Bringing your childhood toys back to life. Toy Polloi. You can also follow Toy Polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.